them moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and today's video is going to be a little quick update on my no edges ponytail look. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Well, I've added tracks to the front of the hair for the swoop. I like to part my hair in a V shape because it just covers my edges the most. I'm going in with the Balm wax stick. It is the bomb, literally, for molding down your hair. And I use this all over the hair, even the swoop, to make sure it's straight. When your hair is straight, the ponytail turns out better. I use the blow dryer to it kind of gets the roots straight without necessarily continuously straightening the hair. And then I go in with the Got To Be spray. Isn't that cute? I go in with the Got To Be spray and I start to mold the ponytail down. So I don't use any gel, because for me, when I apply gel to my hair, it gets wavy. And then I go back in with the blow dryer. Then I'm taking the Got To Be gel and I'm using that to just lay the hair down that I already have. I'm going back and forth between the Got To Be gel and the extra hairs, and I'm just laying that on top. You can do this as much as you want to your desired look. I kind of like a natural look, so I kind of keep it as, thin as possible. And then I go back in with the blow dryer to further dry it down. I apply that to the leftover hair and put it into the ponytail. Now focus on the swoop. From here, I just mold down the swoop with my hands. It already has the wax on it, so I'm just using that to kind of guide my way to making sure the swoop is as flat and neat as possible, securing it with the Got To Be spray. Then I go back in with my blow dryer and put the rest of the hair into the ponytail until that's done. Got this hair from Walmart, you guys, and it's braiding hair. It's the Bohemian Braiding Hair by Darling. And I'm using this to wrap it around the small little ponytail I have. Again, this tutorial is for girls with short hair who want to achieve the look really quickly. And then I'll take some hairpins to secure the ponytail on even further. And then I take some braiding hair again and wrap that around using those bobby pins to secure it around the base of the ponytail, because it just kind of covers up the little ball that I have. You can make this as thick or as thin as you want to. Then I spray some Got To Be spray to secure it, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Spray some oil sheen. I love the one from Design Essentials. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really do hope you did enjoy this quick video. I also use this same method with the middle part. Just part your hair down the middle. I wanted to get on camera and do another ponytail video for you guys because I'm about to cut my hair off. I'm about to get a short pixie cut because I'm tired of the weave. I'm tired of the ponytail. And I just want to start fresh on my hair, But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. And if you're a girl with short hair and struggles with alopecia, I'm the girl to go to. I appreciate you for stopping by, and I'll check you out in my next one. Peace.